I'm Nancy Laffey from Completely Quilted, and we're working on our block number 11 for the Atlantis Block of the Month. This is the Circle of Fish block that we will be demonstrating today. This is month number 11, so we only have one more block left, and then our borders. So thank you for joining us for our Atlantis Block of the Month, designed by Southwind Designs. So I have a lot of my elements already prepared for month 11. These rectangle pieces are going to be have a rectangle fold sandwiched in between them to create our wide dimensional triangle. And then you're going to be just gluing triangles on top of those, and then those will get sewn together. You're also going to have a lot of other triangles that are going to be glued on top of squares to create kind of a flying geese unit, and then these will have squares sewn on top. And then we have some more rectangles with just folded triangles. So none of these are new techniques. This is just more building and sandwiching triangles in between your squares, gluing those together. So I'm going to go ahead and stitch these elements to show you some of the next steps. So all my elements are finished, so now I'm ready to sew 1/4 of my block together. So I'm going to position one of my last folded pieces on the top corner here, and I'll sandwich that unit together and stitch this in place, and then this one will get sewn on top of it. And the same is true for the other quarter block. It's just opposite colors. So after these quarter blocks are finished, then I will be ready to sandwich them together. So you can see here's my other quarter block, and it will have the opposite unit sewn to the top of it. Here are my quarter blocks all sewn, and I've positioned them so you can start to see the circle of fish that's forming for block 11. I'll stitch these together, and then I will put my sashings on and then curve the block. And this block, all of my dimensional pieces are going to be curved to create that circle of fish. That's it. This is number 11, the Circle of Fish block, and I've already done all of my top stitching, so I'm so excited. Only one more block left, and then we have our border month.